Hi everyone, hope you're all well. In today's video we're going to talk about a common error that you might have encountered while browsing the internet, and this is a 301 error. In this video we will talk about the reason why sometimes these errors occur, the effect it has, and also how to avoid these types of errors on your own website as well. So let's get started. So what are 301 errors? A 301 error, also known as a 301 redirect, is an HTTP status code that signifies a permanent redirection of a web page to a new location. When a web page or a website undergoes a significant change, like a change in URL or a complete removal of a page, implementing a 301 redirect is a common practice to ensure a smooth transition between users and also search engines as well. Here's some key points about 301 errors. The 301 in the error code stands for moved permanently, and it tells browsers and search engines that the requested page or resource has permanently moved to a new location. Implementing 301 redirects is really crucial for search engine optimization. By redirecting old URLs to new ones, you can transfer this SEO value, backlinks, and ranking of the old page to the new location, and this helps to maintain search engine visibility and prevent broken links as well. When a user attempts to access a page that has been redirected, the 301 error ensures that they are automatically redirected to the new location. This avoids the frustration of encountering broken or missing content and provides a seamless browsing experience as well. When redesigning a website, changing the site structure, or merging multiple websites, 301 redirects allow you to preserve the traffic and authority of the old URLs, and this way visitors and search engines can easily find the equivalent pages as well. 301 redirects are typically implemented through server-side configuration, such as using directives in the .ht access file for Apache servers. CMS often have built-in features to handle these types of redirects as well. And website owners and developers need to carefully plan and implement 301 redirects to ensure that they are correctly set up. Regular checks should be conducted to ensure that the redirects are working as intended and there are no unintended issues or loops. By utilizing 301 redirects effectively, website owners can maintain a smooth user experience, retain search engine rankings, and ensure a seamless transition during website changes or restructuring. Remember to consult your web hosting provider or web developer for specific instructions on implementing 301 redirects in your particular web environment. So if you're a developer, then you want to know the basics on how to avoid 301 errors on your website. And dealing with 301 errors involves implementing and managing redirects effectively. First thing that you want to do is identify pages to redirect. So determine which pages on your website need to be redirected, and this can include pages with changed URLs, pages that have been permanently moved to a new location, or pages that have been deleted or merged with other content. In most cases, a 301 redirect is the most appropriate choice for permanent redirection. It informs search engines that the original page has moved permanently to a new location. Ensure that you are using the correct HTTP status code for the desired outcome. There are several methods to implement 301 redirects depending on your web server and configuration. For Apache servers, you can use directives in the HT access file. CMS often have built-in redirect management tools or plugins to simplify the process, or alternatively, server-side scripting languages like PHP can be used to handle redirects programmatically. You want to create a clear mapping of the old URL to the new corresponding URL, and this ensures users and search engines are redirected to the most relevant and appropriate pages. You want to maintain consistency and accuracy when you're setting up these redirects. After implementing the redirects, thoroughly test them to ensure that they function correctly. So you want to manually access the old URL and verify that they redirect seamlessly to the intended new locations. You can use online tools or browser extensions that check HTTP access status codes to identify any potential issues. You want to update all the internal links on your website to point to the new URLs instead of the old ones, and this helps users navigate seamlessly within your site and ensures that search engines can crawl and index the correct pages. And lastly, regularly monitor your website for any broken links or redirect loops. If you make further changes to your site structure or URLs in the future, review and update the existing redirects accordingly. Ongoing maintenance ensures a smooth user experience and prevents SEO issues as well. By following these steps, you can effectively handle 301 errors and ensure that users and search engines are seamlessly redirected to the correct and relevant content on your website. And there you have it. all you need to know all about 301 errors. Remember that mastering the art of 301 redirects not only improves user experience, but also plays a vital role in maintaining search engine rankings and preserving the integrity of your website. By implementing proper redirects, you can ensure a smooth transition during website changes and keep your visitors engaged as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, see you in the next one.